Welcome again to Iowa Dental Arts and another of our informational videos. Today I'll be speaking about TMJ, clenching, grinding, bruxism, are all terms that we use in describing this problem when people have their teeth in contact much more than normal. Especially when stress is involved, quite often people will do this subconsciously without even being aware of it. In fact, one of the very first things we do is to make an awareness that in our normal resting position that our teeth should only touch a few minutes per day. It's been estimated approximately 5 minutes per day is all that our teeth normally contact in chewing our food, even 3 meals a day. The teeth touch only intermittently, and that is simply because the food acts as a lubricant and keeps our teeth from wearing out prematurely. So many times we see patients that are destroying their teeth at a young age and therefore end up having problems with broken teeth, TMJ, root canals, and even in some cases loss of teeth from extreme biting forces. And the fact is that we really touch our teeth more in a 24-hour period simply in swallowing than we do in chewing our food. One of the key problems that creates the breakage of teeth is the fact that we're really dealing with extreme forces. When we chew our food, normally we chew with 40 to 60 pounds of force, where if I asked a patient to clench as hard as they could on their back teeth, those forces when they're awake are about 200 pounds per square inch. But subconsciously in our sleep, especially during deep REM sleep, we're able to bite with forces that are 5 times our conscious biting forces, which can be in excess of 1,000 pounds per square inch. This is oftentimes what leads to breakage of teeth and also the pain in muscles because we reach the threshold of what the muscles can tolerate. Many of our patients are treated by making an occlusal bite splint, which is used primarily at nighttime. In the beginning, our patients would wear it as much as possible in the first 4 to 6 weeks of treatment until we establish comfort and an increased range of motion, because many times people are not able to open to their normal distance, which is usually 3 fingers between the upper and lower teeth. Many times we find our patients can only open 1 or 2 fingers because of the tightness in the muscles, which is amazing that something as simple as an occlusal bite splint, which is non-invasive, it's totally reversible, can help the majority of our patients become free of pain and symptoms and prevent fracture of their teeth, especially as they age. Thank you again for joining me today for this informational video on TMJ problems, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye now.